Hi there! Today I will serve you another medical surgical nursing topic because we are going to have hyperthyroidism. If you want to know more about that, stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Galve and I'm a registered nurse and I do have a degree in medical surgical nursing. I create nursing educational videos to help nursing students with their studies. If that's something that you are interested in, consider subscribing. If you're already a subscriber though, thank you so much for your love and support. I see you. I upload my videos 2 to 3 times in a week. Don't miss that out. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you will be the very first to watch my newest uploads. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share with your friends because that will really help me know that you like to see more contents like this. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. Hi there nurses, for today we are going to discuss about hyperthyroidism. I will give you the clinical manifestations, the causes, diagnostics, and how are you going to treat hyperthyroidism. This is going to be a thorough review. In order for me to do that, I might need to switch back to my PC and I'll see you guys in a bit. Hi everybody, welcome nga sa ating formal discussion ng yung hyperthyroidism. And for today, like I said, we're going to have the clinical manifestations of your hyperthyroidism. This is another topic in our medical surgical nursing. If you haven't watched the other videos I created under medical surgical nursing, I'll be putting it on the description box or simply click the icon button, okay? I'll be putting it there. Alright, so let's begin our discussion for today with our objectives. First up, we're going to have definition of terms and we're going to discuss the signs and symptoms of your hyperthyroidism. Alright, let's begin with the definition of terms. So what is hyperthyroidism, you guys? This is a condition in which an overactive thyroid gland is producing an excessive amount of thyroid hormones that circulates in the blood. Now, thyroid hormones include your T4 or yung thyroxine and triiodothyronine and yung T3. Now, T3, you guys, is actually the most active thyroid hormone. Much of the T4 kasi is converted to T3 in the bloodstream. Naalala mo yung ginagawa, yung function ng iodine sa pagko-convert ng T4 to T3? Yes, yun. Now, the thyroid gland is a butterfly-shaped gland located in the front of the neck. The thyroid gland itself is regulated by the pituitary gland in the brain. And the pituitary gland is regulated by the hypothalamus, another gland in the brain. Thyrotoxicosis is a toxic condition that is caused by an excess of thyroid hormones from any cause. Thyrotoxicosis can be caused by an excessive intake of thyroid hormone or by overproduction of thyroid hormones by the thyroid gland. Alright. Now, here's your signs and symptoms of your hyperthyroidism. Sabi ko sa inyo, mabilis lang to eh. Okay. Alright, so let me define or let me discuss to you what are the signs and symptoms and why are you having them. Let's begin with heat intolerance. Thyroxine affects the regulation of your body's metabolism. An excess of this hormone can cause your body's metabolism to increase, which leads to a rising body temperature. Yes, you guys, when you talk about hyperthyroidism, you can expect increased metabolism. Now, another thing, fine straight hair. Hair loss is another sign that thyroid hormones may be out of balance. Napansin mo na may mga hyperthy, di ba ang ninipis ng buhok nila and very fine, very straight hair. Both hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism can cause hair to fall out. In most cases, the hair will grow back once the thyroid disorder is treated. What else? Bulging eyes. Ano to? Exophthalmos. An autoimmune disorder called Graves' disease is the most common cause of hyperthyroidism and bulging eyes. In this condition, tissues around your eyes become inflamed and this creates the bulging effect. Kaya parang lumuluwa yung mata. Facial flushing. Hyperthyroidism result in an increase in the body metabolic rate, which characterized by flushing of the face and hands, smooth, moist, and warm skin, fine, soft, and thin scalp hair. Next, you have your enlarged thyroid. A goiter can sometimes occur when your thyroid gland produces too much thyroid hormone. In someone who has Graves' disease, antibodies produced by the immune system mistakenly attack the thyroid gland, causing it to produce excess thyroxine. This overstimulation causes the thyroid to swell. May pamamaganga. Next, tachycardia. With excess thyroid hormones in the body, a heart rate of greater than 90 beats per minute is common, even at rest and when asleep. In addition, the normal increase in heart rate during exercise is exaggerated. Increased systolic blood pressure. A common cause of isolated systolic hypertension is hyperthyroidism. T3 dilates resistance arterioles, reducing systemic vascular resistance, and increases cardiac output and pulse pressure. Hypertension appears to be more common among hyperthyroidism. Breast enlargement, gynecomastia. An increase in ratio of estrogens to androgens is believed to be the cause of glandular proliferation in gynecomastia, which is brought about in hyperthyroid patient by the increase in SHBG, causing the reduction of free testosterone. Ano yung SHBG mo? Sex hormone binding globulin. Next, you also have your weight loss. Naalala mo, sobrang bilis ng metabolism na to. Hyper, everything is increasing at malaki yung function ng ating T3 and T4. Actually, meron pa tayong isang hormone na yung thyrocalcitonin. Bakit may weight loss sa mga may hyperthyroidism? Hyperthyroidism can accelerate your body's metabolism, causing unintentional weight loss and a rapid or irregular heartbeat. What else? You have your muscle wasting. Thyrotoxic myopathy is a neuromuscular disorder that may accompany hyperthyroidism. Graves' disease caused by overproduction of the thyroid hormone thyroxine. Symptoms may include muscle weakness, myalgias, muscle tenderness, wasting of the pelvic girdle and shoulder muscles, fatigue, and or heat intolerance like I discussed earlier. Ano pa? Localized edema. It is thought that fibroblast stimulation by the thyroid stimulating hormone o yung ating TSH receptor increases the deposition of glycosaminoglycan, which results in osmotic edema and fluid retention. It is thought that many cells responsible for forming connective tissue react to increased TSH levels. Finger clubbing. Nakakita ka na yan. Thyroid acropathy is an extreme manifestation of autoimmune thyroid disease. It presents with digital clubbing, swelling of digits and toes, and periosseal reaction of extremity bones. It is almost always associated with ophthalmopathy and thyroid dermopathy. Ano pa? Tremor. Hyperthyroidism is a condition in which the metabolic balance of the body is upregulated, resulting in increased energy production by every cell of the body. As a result, the nervous stimuli become excessive, resulting in hand tremor. Diarrhea. An overactive thyroid speeds up bodily systems, including digestion. You may notice more frequent bowel movements or even diarrhea. Lastly, you have your menstrual changes, amenorrhea. In someone with hyperthyroidism, the thyroid gland produces too many thyroid hormones. This is different from hypothyroidism, where the thyroid gland doesn't produce enough hormones. This causes an acceleration of many of the body's function and can lead to changes in the menstrual cycle. These are your clinical manifestations of your hyperthyroidism. Now, in order for you to have a better picture of this, inisa-isa ko lang sila, nilagay ko siya dito. Okay. Once again, ito po siya ang clinical manifestation ng hyperthyroidism. Meron kang intolerance to heat, fine straight hair, bulging eyes, facial flushing, enlarged thyroid, tachycardia, increased systolic blood pressure, meron ka ring gynecomastia, meron kang weight loss, unintentional po,
muscle wasting, localized edema, finger clubbing, tremors, diarrhea, at amenorrhea. You guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you learned something. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more nursing educational contents. We've been growing, and I really want to grab this opportunity to thank everybody for all your love and support. I'll see you again next time, you guys. You stay safe.
Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. Help me grow my channel. #TeamKota. Give this video a big thumbs up, share with your friends. Let me know what you guys think. You put them down in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to check out the other playlists and videos I created for you. I'll be putting the links on the description box, or simply click this icon button right here. Let's connect. Follow me on all my other social media accounts. Everything is at Galve. See you again.